And finally, the much awaited XLRI results are out. So congratulations to you if you've made it. Congratulations also to you if you're in the waitlist, because in this video I'll be taking you through what is the waitlist movement at XLRI. Not just that, I'll be walking you through some of the very important placement figures, last year's placement figures, and domain wise placement analysis, so that you know what is the kind of B school you are entering, and most likely you will be having other comparable calls. तो वो भी यहाँ पे address कर दूंगा मैं. If you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I am the founder of Creatum, where I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Now, without further ado, let me take you through XLRI and understanding what XLRI is all about. The waitlist would come right at the end. So, starting with this, the average CTC of the latest available placement report, and mind you, this is combined of BM, HRM, and Excel Delhi as well, which is standing at a 31.08 LPA. Now, if you compare this with an IIM ABC, IIM's ABC were having the placement average salaries at 34 LPA. All three of them were at that. Then we have a median at 31. Apart from that, you would know that the combined students are 591, almost 600. One thing which is which is a hallmark of a very good top tier institution is the PPO percentage. A solid 1/3 of the students don't sit for the final placements because they have PPO. Or it's not that they don't sit for the final placements, they might choose to not accept the PPO, but what I'm trying to tell you is that the hallmark of a very good institution is the percentage of PPO as well. Abhi silent features hote hain. When you will see some of my videos for the new RIMs, you will see that this number is much smaller. Then the top 10 percentile offers were averaging at a 52 LPA, above of 50, and obviously the highest CTC was around 75. Now let me take you through the domain wise placements, and here is where things get interesting. Now, because you know that XLRI truly stands for its flagship HRM program, and that is obviously that gets reflected over here. As much as 25%, 1/4 of the batch gets placed in good top tier HR roles, which is what they had signed up with when they were choosing for XLRI. That's that. Then the second highest is consulting, which is very understandable because ABC may be the highest placements or the most placements. As much as 33% of the placements are in consulting only. तो अगर ये HRM नहीं होता तो ये consulting भी as much होता. This is the reason why Excel is a very comparable college to B schools like IML, IMK and all of those things, because this XLRI sits right at the doorsteps of the old IIM's ABC. तो बिल्कुल ABC के तुरंत खत्म होते ही L और Excel आते हैं. किन किन केसेस में आपको L प्रेफर करना चाहिए, किन किन केसेस में Excel, वो भी आऊंगा मैं उस पे, and you will realize that yes, L has, L will put you in a good stead somewhere. Now if you see, then the third highest is sales and marketing. Now the reason why you would choose, अब देखो यही है चीज इंपॉर्टेंट वाली कि अगर L का कॉल है इसके साथ साथ और अगर L में है ऑप्शन तो कहां जाना चाहिए. Now you can see this very clearly. अगर आपका फाइनेंस इंटरेस्ट है, फाइनेंस at XLRI is negligible, even though at one point of time this was doing significantly more in finance because it was benchmarking always itself with IIM Calcutta. Now then I don't know what happened, but then suddenly finance is not something which is very good in the sense of बहुत percentage of offers नहीं है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि कंपनी अच्छी नहीं है, नहीं, that's not the case. In this case, IIML makes absolute sense for you to choose if you want to get into finance jobs. It's a no-brainer between XLRI and L that you should go to IIML. And then we have this. Now I've also put together the average placement of each domain. Now here's what you need to see, that consulting offers very high average salaries and which is very consistent. ऐसा नहीं है. Then HR, this is very rare. Very rarely would you see in a placement report or placement snapshot कि human resources firstly is the highest percentage of placement, और अगर चलो highest है भी, इतने strong numbers of average placement. This is why, again I'm reminding you, this is why XLRI becomes a great choice for you if you have anything to do with HR, if you want to do anything to do with HR, it's a great choice. This and this makes absolute sense for you to go for them. So ये हाँ real है भाई, होता है. Sales and marketing you have over here, IT and this thing analytics. Now again, this reinforces my point. Finance, if you see this over here, finance average salaries are very less. Finance में average salaries, अगर finance किसी, see again, these are ways, मैं तुम्हें सिखा भी रहा हूँ कि ये कैसे analyze करते हैं, जो हम लोग बैठ के करते हैं उसका क्या तरीका है. Finance अगर वाकई अच्छा होता, finance average salaries would not have been as low as 25-23 and वो भी fall कर रही हैं, but इतनी low नहीं होती हैं. Good finance jobs in fact might be comparable with consulting averages or maybe even more than consulting average. तो इससे पता ये चलता है कि finance definitely, XLRI is not the place for you to be at for if you want to get into finance. And then apart from that, you can see the numbers for the remaining thing. Now my dear friends, comes the waitlist movement, which is what you've all been waiting for. If you're in the waitlist, do not lose hope. You need to start preparing for your MBA journey journey. I'll take you to the wait list, so please see this very carefully. XLRI JSR. JSR मतलब Jamshedpur. You know that. HRM wait list last year. The first column represents the latest year. Went to as high as 197, close to 200 before that. Now, okay, again, इसमें वो SC ST OBC वाला एंगल नहीं है, तो ये जो है ये बता रहे तुम्हें साल, ठीक है. पिछले साल 197. Prior to that it was also hovering around 200, which is 235. Prior to that it was 130 and prior to that it was 231. You can safely assume ये कोई 200 के अराउंड हवर करेगा. इस साल कितना होगा किसी को नहीं पता और किसी को स्पेकुलेट करना भी नहीं चाहिए. सेकंड है JSR बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट, which is जमशेदपुर बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट. लास्ट ईयर it went up to 130. उसके प्रायर 118, 175, 125. Now this is something I am just providing you the data. ये data है and some bit of it was my interpretation. That is it. ये है. And XLRI Delhi, which is NCR campus, उसमें जो business management course होता है उसमें the waitlist moved to as much as 400, 400 something, 600, 500. Broadly ये कहानी है. This is the snapshot which you need to have. You can take a screenshot of this if you want to. If you don't want to, that's great. Now the point is, my dear friends, you need not speculate. In the comments, please let me know what is your waitlist number. If you have converted, let me know. And what are you feeling right now? More importantly, let me know what are you doing for your pre-MBA prep. Don't miss it. You are at April end. May शुरू होने वाला है या May शुरू हो गया होगा, whatever. Don't miss it. If you don't start preparing for your pre-MBA activities, things which will put you ahead in your MBA school, what are you doing? मैंने तुम्हारे लिए एक प्रोग्राम क्यूरेट करा हुआ है. एक pre-MBA बंडल है पूरा. How to be school. It has 4 courses in it. How to be school के अंदर तो मैंने सब कुछ बताया कि MBA में IML में XLRI में क्या होता है अंदर जाके. How to do well in academics, in classroom activities, in summer placements, final placement, resume making, friendships, networking, extra curricular activities, everything. उसमें फिर एक है कोर्स MBA concepts crashers. मैंने फर्स्ट ईयर के कॉन्सेप्ट्स पढ़ा दिए तुमको. मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, ऑपरेशंस, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स, ये सब मैंने पढ़ा दिए वहां पे जाके कि यार ये देख लो ताकि जब जाओ MBA कॉलेज में तो समझ में आए. स्पेशलाइजेशन सेलेक्टर, क्या स्पेशलाइजेशन, किस डोमेन में जाना चाह रहे हो, ताकि उसमें CV बिल्डिंग आज से करो. माय डियर फ्रेंड, अभी नहीं करोगे तो कब करोगे यार. तुम XLRI की वेट लिस्ट में हो, फॉर गॉड से. किसी भी स्कूल में तो जा ही रहे होगे इस साल. व्हाई डोंट यू टेक अ पॉजिटिव अप्रोच एंड एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट. द लिंक ऑफ दैट इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. प्लीज let me know if you're taking it so that we can get started with it ASAP. I wish you all the best. Let me know in the comments what you're feeling about all of this right now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.